Do you want to know how to perform a three-way ANOVA using GraphPad Prism? You came to the right place. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Bioinfo Tips. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to perform a three-way ANOVA in GraphPad Prism. We'll cover everything from entering your data to interpreting the output. So if you're analyzing experiments with multiple factors, this video is for you. Let's get started. A three-way ANOVA is used when you have three independent variables, factors, and one continuous dependent variable. In today's example, our factors are sex, male or female, diet fat, low V's, high, smoking, light V's, high. We want to see how these factors and their interactions influence a response variable. Let's enter our sample data into GraphPad Prism. I've prepared a dataset with 3 replicates for each combination of our factors. Here's what the sample data looks like. Enter your data into the table by creating columns for each replicate. Make sure to label the rows with the appropriate factor levels. In GraphPad Prism, you can choose a multi-variable data table format to easily manage your factors. Now that your data is in Prism, click on the Analyze button. In the Analysis dialog, select the option for Multi-Factor ANOVA. Choose the three-way ANOVA. Configure the analysis by assigning each column of your data to the appropriate factor. GraphPad Prism will then calculate the main effects for treatment, time, and gender, as well as their two-way and three-way interactions. A significant degree of smoking effect, a diet fat effect, a sex effect, an interaction effect between smoking and fat diet content. No significant interaction between the three variables, or smoking and sex, or fat diet and sex. Interpreting these p-values helps you understand which factors and interactions are statistically significant in influencing your response variable. Next, you can create graphs to visualize your data. Use Prism's graphing options to display the means and error bars for each group. Once you're happy with the graphs and results, export your analysis and graphs by clicking File and then Export. Save your work as a PDF or image file for your report or presentation. And that's it. Today, you learned how to perform a three-way ANOVA in GraphPad Prism, from entering your sample data to running the analysis and interpreting the results. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Bioinfo Tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.